तेरी पोतेरी पुंजरी चपो कम तेरी मता पो तेरी पोतेरी पुंजरी चपो कम तेरी मता पो मनसे आस्वदिकू आवोळम.
Welcome to a demo of our invisible speaker setup. What you're seeing here is a 40-watt invisible speaker designed to deliver an immersive sound effect for an upcoming 4K Laser Dolby Cinema Ghar. This stage showcases the precise placement and wiring layout for both the speakers and the projector. A complete mock-up is done before the false ceiling is installed, ensuring perfect alignment and flawless performance. At the front, we have LCR invisible speakers from Jamo, powered by a Denon AVR, paired with a motorized 150-inch screen in a 16:9 aspect ratio for a true cinematic experience. The projection will be handled by an LG Smart Laser projector, featuring an inbuilt OTT interface and LG's Magic Remote for effortless control. The site is nearing completion and we are excited to bring the Cinema Ghar to life. Feel free to get in touch with us to design your own customized home cinema experience.